Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 24, OV 45. शब्दस्पर्शरूपगंध या चतुष्ट्याचाही हाच संबंध. किती बोधप्रद हा प्रबंध कथानुबंध बाबांचा. Words, touch, form are related to this principle. How full of advice is this teaching of Baba in relation to this incident? मनबुद्ध्यादि इंद्रियगण करू आदरिता विषय सेवन. करावे आधी माझे स्मरण तै मज समर्पण अंशाशे. Before the mind, the intellect and other senses enjoy their objects, remember me first, so that they become an offering to me slowly. इंद्रिये विषयावीण राहती, हे तो न घडे कल्पाती, ते विषय जरी गुरुपदी अर्पिती, सहजी आसक्ती राहील. The senses can never remain without their objects. But if these objects are first offered to the Guru, the attachment for them will naturally vanish. कामतरी मदविषयीच कामावे, कोप आल्या मजवरीच कोपावे, अभिमान दुराग्रह समर्पावे, भक्ती वहावे मतपदी. If you desire anything, desire me only. If you are angry, vent your anger on me only. Offer me your pride and obstinacy. Be devoted only to me. काम क्रोध अभिमान वृत्ती जव उठती कडकडून, मी एक लक्ष्य लक्षून मजवरी निक्षून सोडाव्या. Whenever desire, anger, pride arise strongly, make me the object towards which to direct them. क्रमे क्रमे येणे परी वृत्ती निकृंतन करील हरी, मग या विखारत्रयाच्या लहरी तो परिहरील गोविंद. In this way, one by one, the Lord will help you in eradicating all the vrittis. The Lord, Govinda, will certainly calm the strong waves of these three venomous qualities. किंबहुना हे विकार जात, मत्स्वरूपीच लय पावत, किंवा मद्रूपची ते स्वये होत, विश्रामत मतपदी. In fact, this disturbed mental state would be absorbed in my form or would become one with me. A state of peace will be yours at my feet. ऐसे होता अभ्यसन, वृत्ती स्वयेच होती क्षीण, कालांतरे समूल निर्मूलन, वृत्ती शून्य मन होई. If you practice this, desires will become weak on their own and with the passage of time will be destroyed from their very roots. The mind will be free from all such tendencies. गुरु असे निरंतर सन्निधी, ऐसी वाढता दृढ बुद्धी, तयास या ऐसिया विधी, विषय न बाधी कदाही. Knowing and believing that the Guru is close by, such a person would never be disturbed by such tendencies. जेथ हा सद्भाव ठसला, तेथेची भवबंध उकलला, विषयोविषयी गुरु प्रकटला, विषयची नटला गुरु रूपे. Once such a good habit takes firm root, the bondage of the world will loosen. The Guru's form will be seen in every desirable object. Thus, desire itself becomes the form of the Guru. यत्किंचित विषय सेवनी, बाबा आहेत सन्निधानी, सेव्या सेव्यता विचारमनी, सकृत दर्शनी उठेल. If there is the slightest desire for the enjoyment of the objects and you think that Baba is close by, the question whether the object is fit to be enjoyed or not will at once arise.